Time to introduce two other game changers in the microcontroller world. Emphasis on micro. Members of the ATtiny10 series. Here we present the ATtiny10-Rst and ATtiny10-SPI from canhobby.ca. These microcontroller development boards might be small, but they pack a mighty punch. The ATtiny10-Rst makes the development process easier, featuring a handy reset button on board. And if you're looking for the ultimate in convenience, the ATtiny10-SPI incorporates a 6-pin ICSP header, making connection to a USBasp a breeze. Both are designed to be user-friendly, even if you're just dipping your toes into the world of DIY electronics. Dive into your next project with the ATtiny10 series and up your development game. In previous videos I touched on the internal hardware features of the ATtiny10 MCU, such as GPIOs and the timer. In another screen gem, I covered the basics of programming these boards from the Arduino IDE using a USBasp. Say hello to the versatile ATtiny10-Rst. This marvel stands out for its ease of use when developing software, making the flow of application testing and debug that much smoother. With the ATtiny10-Rst, you can restart the MCU with the simple push of a button. Experienced Arduino developers will find this feature an absolute must-have. There are even extra pins to support the pressure of pushing the button when mounted on a breadboard. They can also be used as an external reset to sync with other circuits. An LED is also provided on the B0 GPIO. Expect a deeper dive into this board in an upcoming video. The ATtiny10-SPI has two significant features not found on our or other boards. It is often referred to as the fun board, due to its 3 onboard user programmable LEDs on B0, B1 and B2. B3 is of course the reset pin, and has been reserved for that function. Imagine expanding your programming skills making all 3 of the LEDs blink. Even better, make them blink at different rates. Each of the LEDs is a different color, as well as the 4th power LED. They all use positive logic where writing a high to the appropriate register bit sets them to the illuminated state. There is a solder pad on the bottom to disable all of the LEDs for battery-powered applications. The other hallmark is a 6-pin ICSP header for convenient programming via a USBasp. It may be used with the standard 10 to 6-pin adapter available for the programmer. This makes the ATtiny10-SPI a terrific module for developing that larger application for the ATtiny10. And that's it for a quick overview of the incredibly versatile canhobby ATtiny10-Rst and the SPI. Keep an eye out for our detailed tutorials on each of these products, complete with example Arduino sketches accompanying blogs and GitHub source code repositories. Are you up to the challenge? These tiny modules are ready for you. Happy making!